Hello, welcome to installing Python software for Windows. Now, many of you already know how to install software, so you can skip this video. There's only two really important things that you really should know, and that is that you should always download from the source, in this case, python.org. Do not download from any place else, because many companies out there will put the installer and wrap something around it, and they could put advertisements on your computer or even viruses. So only download from the source, which is python.org. So you can find that by just typing in Python in Google or your favorite search engine and looking for python.org. Okay? When you click on it, you'll go to python.org, go to downloads. Okay, it's already here, downloads. So you'll come here. And then you'll go to this yellow button. Now, it's because I already have Windows. Okay, now if you have Linux or Unix or Mac or other, then you'll click one of these, or actually it will show up for you. It's going to know what operating system you have. And then you will download whatever version is appropriate for that. Because while 3.95 is for Windows, it may be a different version for Linux, it may be a different version for Mac, whatever. Now, at the time of this recording, it is 3.9.5. It may be later, it may be 3.10, whenever you get this, who knows. It will not go to 4.0 or anything like that, at least not for the next year or so. I've already contacted Python, they said they have no plans of making a Python 4. So, do not worry if this number is not the same as what you see here. So all you do is click on this 3.9.5 download here, or whatever it shows. And then it's going to tell you to save it. So you just save the file. And then you have to wait. Depending on how fast your internet speed is, it may take a couple seconds or it may take a couple minutes. Okay. Now, where it saves it is not important. But the second most important thing is that when you install it, I strongly suggest you install it in a D drive or E drive, not your C drive. Normally, you want to save your C drive just for your Windows system. Okay? Now, I'm talking about Windows. You know, you have Linux and Mac, and you need to know how to install that. I'm sorry, I don't know how to install it. On those, you can search on Google or your favorite search engine how to install Python for Linux and Mac OS, etc. And so we'll worry about that later. Many Unixes already come with Python, so we'll see that in a little bit in another video. So once this gets done, I'm going to pause the recording so you don't have to watch my download. Okay, now that it's finished, we can go ahead and open that up. And then we're not going to use install now. We're going to do custom installation. And we are going to add path. Okay. We'll go ahead and let it install everything. And the only thing we're going to choose differently is I'm going to choose D. Usually it has the right files, but anyway, I'm going to put in program files, and then I'm going to make new directory, and I'm going to put Python 3. Okay. And then click OK. So this is what I have. D:\program files \Python 3. Okay. You can put it anywhere you want. Okay. I just suggest putting it in D somewheres. Okay. And I'm going to make it available for all users. All right. So I'm going to hit install. And then something will pop up. I don't know if you can see that or not. asking me for permission. I said yes. Okay. And now it's going to go through the installation. Hopefully it won't take too long. Now the setup was successful. And let's see. You can click that if you want. I am not going to have a path of 260 characters. So I don't need to do that. Okay. So I'm just going to click close. And you are done. Okay. Now we'll actually do a test install later on another video. But for right now, that is all we need to do. Because we still need to install a way to test the Python, which will be in another video. Okay? All right. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.